Hey there, LinkedIn enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your professional life easier. Today, we're tackling something super relevant: how to hide your connections on the LinkedIn app in 2025. With growing concerns about privacy and professional boundaries, this feature is a game changer for controlling who sees your network. Whether you're a job seeker, entrepreneur, or just someone who values discretion, stick around. I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the LinkedIn app installed on your device. This ensures you have access to all the updated privacy tools. Once you're logged in, start by tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you straight to your profile page. Next, scroll down a bit and look for the Settings and Privacy option. It's usually represented by a gear icon in the top right. Tap on that, and you'll enter the Settings menu. Now, navigate to the Visibility section. Here, you'll find various options for managing what others can see about your profile. Look specifically for Connections Visibility, or something similar. It might be under Who Can See Your Connections. Toggle the switch to Only You, or Hidden, to keep your list private. Don't forget to hit Save at the bottom to apply the changes. That's it. Your connections are now hidden from public view. But why do this? Well, in 2025, with AI-driven networking and increased data scrutiny, protecting your contacts can prevent unwanted outreach or even competitive insights. If you run into any issues, double-check your app updates or LinkedIn's Help Center for the most current instructions. There you have it. Hiding connections on LinkedIn is quick and straightforward. Give it a try and take control of your professional presence. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.